My name is Tom Roll, and I'm the president of Steritec Products. We're the manufacturer of sterility assurance products sold under the Medline label and distributed through Medline Industries. In this video, Earl Raphael, our National Accounts Manager, will demonstrate a towel pack test. The purpose of this test is to show how our sterility assurance products outperform the competition, in this case 3M. Our products are designed to complete a color change at 2 times biological kill. For you, this means assurance that you've obtained sterilization throughout the load. You may ask, why the towel pack test? This test is described in ST79 section 10.7.2.1. It simulates the most difficult pack, tray, or container you are apt to process. It is a great way to compare products and show how they perform in your sterilizers. We are taking rectangular towels, folding them and placing them on top of each other, open end to closed end. We will make 2 stacks of 8 towels. Following AMI ST79, we will place the biologicals and indicators between the 8th and 9th towel. Today we are using a conventional BI and a 3M rapid read biological. We're also placing Medline integrators and the 3M Steritec in this towel test. Next, we place the other stack of 8 towels on top of the biologicals and the indicators. We will wrap the towel pack with CSR wrap and place the wrap pack on the lowest shelf on the cart so that it is directly over the drain. Now we close the sterilizer and start the cycle. In this test, we're using a Steritec sterilizer. For this demonstration, we will abort the cycle after 1 minute and 45 seconds of sterilization time. As you know, we need to open the door slowly. There's a lot of steam still in the chamber, and we don't want to set off the fire alarm. Now Earl is removing the towel pack and the rapid read biological test pack from the cart. As you can see, the autoclave tape has changed, indicating the pack has been in and processed. Also, the spot on the rapid read biological test pack has changed from yellow to black, indicating it too has been in and processed. We'll open the rapid read biological test pack, label the BI, and let it cool before we incubate it. Here's where it gets interesting. We unwrap the towel pack, separate the towels, and find the BIs and the indicators. Looking at the indicators, it is apparent the Medline steam integrators did not pass in this shortened cycle. However, the Steritec shows a pass. Also, notice they have varying degrees of pass. Nonetheless, all show pass. The Medline challenge card, which are packaged inside each load challenge test pack, has not completely changed to a final green color. This is a fail. If this card came out of a load with instruments, the instruments would need to be re-sterilized. At this point, we incubated the BIs and called the hospital 48 hours later for the results. Both BIs, Medline and the rapid read, were negative. No growth occurred, and this is a pass. What can we conclude from all this? Well, we see that the biologicals and the Steritec show a pass after only 1 minute and 45 seconds into the cycle. The Medline integrators show a fail. The reason for this is simple. Medline chemical integrators will not show a pass until 2 times biological kill, or an SAL level of 10 to the minus 6 is achieved. As you know, hospitals are required to attain an SAL of 10 to the minus 6 each time they sterilize. Don't you want a product that gives you assurance you are meeting that requirement? In summary, this towel pack test demonstrates how quickly biologicals are killed in the sterilization cycle, as well as how quickly the Steritec moves into the accept zone. It also shows that the migrating ink moves somewhat differently in each Steritec. The purple to green ink shows a greater resistance to showing a pass because it's longer in timing. They need more time in the sterilizer to turn completely to green. Again, Medline integrators measure 2 times biological kill, or an SAL of 10 to the minus 6. If you want to run your own test in the same manner, you will get the same results. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you to help improve your sterilization processes. If you want to learn more about Steritec products, please visit our website at www.steritecproducts.com.